So in this video I'm gonna show you that how to split the multiple screens in VS Code like this, and you can add up to 10 screens in this VS Code. So how to make this? Just you would see I would make sure that it's very simple. Okay, just select on the view button upper right corner of the VS Code and then scroll down there, edit your layout option. You would click here, and after this you can choose any number of columns. Just because it's a laptop and it's of the 14 inches, so I would choose the two columns. Okay, after selecting this, you would see that in the right side it's our next column. View means I mean that it's a multiple screen. Okay, so anything I want here, I would double click here on the class and I would import it here. Just I would copy, select from here and paste here. Okay, and it's you can see that I can now work on the multiple screens of the VS Code. Like for example, here I this is my screen one. Okay, and here it is my screen number two. So you saw that how easy and simple is this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.